Hello friends. Welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing great. Today, I have something very exciting for anyone who works with electronics, repairs gadgets, or loves DIY projects. We are going to take a full, detailed look at the WEP948D3 2-in-1 soldering and desoldering station. This soldering station is one of the most advanced models in its category, packed with powerful features that make your electronic work faster, easier, and more accurate. So stay with me till the end, because I'll not only explain all the features but also tell you why this machine is highly popular in the United States among professionals and hobbyists. The WEP948D3 is an upgraded version built on previous models' success. It is designed for precision, user comfort, and safety. Whether you're repairing circuit boards, assembling new devices, or working on small electronic prototypes, this station can handle everything. What makes this product special is that it combines two essential tools in one device: a powerful soldering iron, a fast-heating desoldering gun. This two-in-one functionality saves you money, saves space, and increases productivity. It also follows modern safety standards and comes equipped with features that protect both your components and your workspace. One of the biggest advantages of this station is its advanced temperature control system. When working with electronics, temperature accuracy is everything. If the heat is too high, you can burn the component. If it's too low, you won't get a proper solder joint. The WEP948D3 gives you precision temperature control, a clear digital display, fast temperature stabilization, easy adjustment buttons. This ensures that even beginners can get clean, professional results without damaging their components. Another highlight is that this machine is ESD safe, which means it protects your electronic components from electrostatic discharge. Static electricity may look harmless, but it can destroy sensitive chips like microcontrollers, sensors, CPUs, memory modules. With the WEP948D3, you get complete static protection because the entire system is grounded and designed with ESD-safe materials. This is extremely important for technicians who work on expensive devices like laptops, gaming consoles, and mobile phones. Let's talk about its two-in-one functionality in detail. Soldering iron. Perfect for component soldering, circuit board repair, wire connections, DIY electronics. Desoldering gun. Perfect for removing old or damaged components, reworking circuit boards, cleaning bad solder joints, repairing multi-pin ICs. With both tools in one station, you can switch modes anytime without setting up separate equipment. The desoldering gun is one of the strongest selling points of this machine. This gun heats up extremely fast, reaching up to 350 degrees Celsius in just 10 seconds. This quick heating means less waiting time, faster work completion, better productivity, cleaner removal of solder. Traditional methods like solder wick and manual suction take longer and sometimes require multiple attempts. But with this gun, the job is done smoothly and professionally. Users in the electronics community have given a lot of positive feedback about this station. People love its quick heating, strong suction, ESD protection, overall versatility. Some users mentioned that certain tips may wear down faster, but overall, most customers are extremely satisfied with the performance. This product has gained popularity especially in the United States, where both professionals and hobbyists trust it for reliable repairs. So friends, this was the complete detailed review of the WEP948D3 2-in-1 soldering and desoldering station. If you want a reliable, powerful, and safe soldering solution for your workspace, this is one of the best options on the market. If you want to buy this product, click on the link given in the description of the video. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Visit our website for more information.